Hello folks, today I wanted to share with you something that sometimes when you're looking at a home to buy, or if you're selling your home, you need to do also, and that is sometimes we don't see things, but what we do is we feel them with our feet. So as I'm walking across here with my feet here, I could tell on this slab that it's got a huge crack in it. And I can feel the deflection in it right in through here. You can feel it with your feet. And so what does that mean? Well, for basement floors, I'm in the basement, and basement floors are not structural. They are just lay on the ground just like you would your garage. But what will happen with this is it'll wear out your carpeting that much faster. So it's always wise that if you do have a situation like this, that you grind that section right there so as that at least you have a transition. It's not a deflection. You have a smooth transition, like maybe a ramp transition is maybe the right word to say. But this is what you're looking for, folks. Use your feet for your eyes. Your feet should feel. If you need to, I've been doing this for so many years, I could just feel through my boots. But if you can't do that, put your house slippers on. Go through the house with your socks on. Feel with your feet. You can feel all kinds of things. Hey, that's a pretty cool tip. I hope this has been helpful. Well, folks, thank you for watching our videos. And if we can ever be of service to you, give us a call, Galloway Building Services. And if you like our videos, hey, hit like and subscribe and share with your friends. That way everybody can get to share and enjoy the information that you're learning. Thank you, folks. Have a great day.